Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday and we are outside of Meijer, and Meijer has some phenomenal deals and phenomenal ways to save money. But first I want to preface, if you live in the north and you were part of this huge snowstorm we have, please be careful. I work third shift obviously, and when I went to work last night it was a nightmare. The roads still aren't the best, but they're a lot better. So the next day, two, take it easy. Your pets will never understand why you didn't come home. Leave a little earlier. That's all I gotta say. Anyway, yeah, Meijer has some really phenomenal savings, and some of these deals might be deals from last week since I wasn't able to go to Meijer. I didn't really look even at the ad last week, so yeah, I don't know what I missed out on. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So the first way of saving that I want to talk about is a PG offer. So it's spend $50, get $15 off on personal care. And this offer can last till the 24th. And it's on Vicks, Old Spice, Secret, Native, Oral-B, Crest, Gillette, and Venus products. And since that is a store coupon, it says manufacturer, but it works as a store coupon. If we have any manufacturer coupons, it will stack. So like, let's say you want to grab something like this, this will track towards the $50, and the $5 will come off because that is a store and a manufacturer coupon. Alright, so it looks like we have tons of body wash clearance. Some are as low as $3.69. I'll have to scan that, but otherwise, like these ones, half off. I think that's a good deal. I've never tried the super serum, so I don't know how good it is. So I'm actually gonna let these sit here, but check your only for you coupons. I have a spend 8 get like $3 off or something, so I'm gonna see if they drop next week at all, or maybe I'll just grab some next week. Easy deal on this Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser. This is $4.99 for the smaller bottle. We have a $2.50 digital coupon, so you'll pay $2.49. You'll submit to Fetch Rewards for 3,000 Fetch points, which is like $3, making it a 51-cent moneymaker. You can grab something like these Bic Soleil razors that are $5.79. There's a few different options, so grab the one you like. We have a $3 digital coupon, making them just $2.79. It also looks like there's some really good clearance deals going on at shampoo and conditioner. So like this Herbal Essence, the shampoo is a little more expensive, but the clearance price for the conditioner is about 50% off. There's some other ones, or there are some Garnier Fructis ones that are on clearance as well. They're about 50% off except for this one. Also tons and tons of the John Frieda stuff and a few different Nexus items too. Health and beauty gift sets are buy one get one 40% off, so you can grab some and get some good savings just without any coupons. Also, if you know what's in the Meijer beauty box, let me know if you think it's worth it. It's only $15. I like trying new things, but I'm just really picky, especially since I really don't wear makeup, but I don't want to like spend $15 and hate everything in the box. So a great way to do this buy one get one 40% off is to grab one of the Axe kits that are $10. Then to grab a Dove one that's $10, or a Degree one that's $10. So so the breakdown basically is buy one get one 40% off, so that'll be $16. And then on the Axe, there's a $3 digital coupon for that one. The Dove has a $5 digital coupon, and then the Degree is a $3 digital coupon, so make them $10 for both, depending on which one you grab. My store only has the Axe one left, and there's a lot of them, so I wonder if they're just not selling well this year. So you can grab one of these Pampers Preemies. These are $10.99. Or if you prefer Huggies, you can grab the Huggies, and they're $1 cheaper at $9.99. We have a $5 digital coupon that works on those, making them either $5.99 or $4.99 for the Huggies. Now, if you need some diapers this week, there's 2 promotions that will stack together to grab the most max value for your savings. So right now they have buy $75 worth of diapers or training pants, you'll get $20 in a Catalina form when printed at checkout. But you can also stack that with In the app, there's a store coupon for spend $100 on Huggies, get $25 off. The only problem is there's really no Huggies digital coupons. So you can stack them together and get $45 in savings, grabbing $100 worth of Huggies diapers, but it just depends on how much you need them. But even $45 off right away is still really good. I think there's like $1 digital coupon, and then there's $1 on like checkout 51 as well. So I mean, you can get an extra $2 off. Right now, Purina dry cat food, treats, litter, wet food, frisky stuff, they are buy $45 worth, you'll get $10 off instantly. The dog food does have a separate promotion, so don't mix and match them. But also check your only for you coupons for any kind of cat food or dog food, depending on what you need. Also, the I Love You brand cat food and cat treats are 25% off. I believe we have coupons for them right now, so you can grab some with additional savings. And if you guys are grabbing these bigger, or the Friskies wet food cans, there are digital coupons. I know that for sure because I saw them this morning. So don't forget to clip them, whether you do this deal online or in store. I don't know if you can do this online. I don't really do online shopping here, so please forgive me. But yeah, you can save an extra like $3 or $4. This is a really good deal in my opinion because we didn't really get good cat treat deals this year for Black Friday, but the Temptation smaller bags are buy two get one free, so you can mix and match on the flavors. So for the dog food, it's on Purina or Zooks, and it's spend $65 get $15 off. All right, y'all, there's insane savings on PG products this week. So, or for this week, I think it's next week too. So for PG laundry, it is spend $40, get $10 off. Normally it's spend $50, but this week it's spend $40. So here's some honorable mentions of things that you can grab. I actually took some time and wrote this out and like looked at it. So the Tide Power Pods, they're $9.99 on sale with a $2 coupon. Or we have these larger Tide Power Pods that are on sale for $19.99 with a $5 coupon. Or if you don't like the Power Pods, you can grab, or if you don't need that many Power Pods, I should rephrase, you can grab the smaller ones that are on sale for $12.99 with a $5 coupon. That are on sale for $12.99. There's a $5 coupon for this, so it's just $7.99. Or if you like the big jug ones, these ones are the same coupon as, no, maybe a different one, but these are on sale for $19.99 with a different $5 coupon. There's tons of digital coupons for like the softener and the scent boosters. We just get good savings on those usually. So now for Gain, it's not as good of savings, but it's still really good savings, especially if you like Gain. So like these large bad boys with the handles, they're on sale for $15.99 with a $4 coupon. Or you can grab the Flings, same price, $4 coupon. Now if you can find some clearance items, they do work for store spend deals, because I've done it personally before. So like this one on clearance for $7.34. So right now, Febreze products are buy one get one 30% off, but there's tons of clearance included in the car or the small spaces. We have the single counts as low as $2.55 or $2.93, and we have a $2 digital coupon, making that just 55 cents or 93 cents, and this will work for that spend $40 PG deal. We also have some Febreze air mists that are on clearance, but remember, clearance does not work as part of the deal here. So like the buy one get one 30% off will not apply to clearance things. Now if you need like a cheap filler item to get to that $40 mark, we have the Dawn Easy Squeezes. They're on sale for $4.99 with a $1 coupon. Or a great way to stock up on things that are normally really expensive that we don't get good deals on are like these Cascade tubs. They're on sale for $19.99. We have a $3 coupon. Grabbing one of these, you're like halfway to that spend 40 mark already. Another great option is to grab the 6 equals 12 double bounty. It's on sale for $11.79 with a $2 coupon. Or the 6 equals 36 Mega XL Charmin, $11.79 with a $2 coupon. These Bush's Sidekicks are they're regular $1.69. We have a 50-cent coupon, making them $1.19. Small cans of Campbell's soup are on sale for $1, and that includes the cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, the tomato, and I think like the regular chicken noodle. These Andes candies, or whatever you want to call them, cream day, mint, whatever. The family size bag is $6.79. You're gonna grab 2. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making them both $6.79. You can grab 2 of these Oikos Fusions. They are $2.39. We have a buy one get one free coupon, making them both $2.39. A really good deal on DiGiorno pizza if it's a brand you like. They're 2 for $9 for the Rising Crust, the Firewood, or I don't think that one's included. I think it's just those. But I mean, that's pretty good savings in my opinion. Pillsbury refrigerated products are buy 3, get 2 free, so you can mix and match and grab whatever you need or whatever you like. Plus, there's a $1 digital coupon off of 2, and check Fetch Rewards to see what you have on Fetch. I know there's always different offers for Pillsbury or General Mills products. We have this Just Crack an Egg. I've actually never had these. These are $2.69. We have a 50% digital coupon, making it $1.34. I always check out for like dairy products, like these milks. That's a really good price. They expired yesterday, but milk's usually good for a couple days after. I just don't drink milk, but I think that's really good savings. Also, guys, don't forget about the spend 25, and then you can get a huge discount on ham. So the Meijer bone-in one is 89 cents a pound, or the Meijer portion ham is 79 cents a pound. Now this may vary depending on where you live and how expensive ham is, but I think that's really good savings, especially since they're $2.50 per pound normally. Great deal on the Johnsonville breakfast sausage. If you like these are buy one get one 50% off. Same with these. I don't know if these are breakfast sausages. Maybe these ones are turkey ones, but buy one get one 50% off. So depending on like which ones you grab, these are $5.99 or those are $4.49. Lunchables or the P3 adult snacks are 3 for $5. So we have this 3-pound bag of yellow onions, red or yellow potatoes for buy one get one for $1. Large cantaloupe or honeydew are buy one get one for $1. So you can grab some great savings if you like these. Taylor's salad kits are 2 for $7. All right, we're back in from checkout, and I didn't grab everything I wanted to. I had a kind of an okay deal for the spend for the PG deal, but there was this kid that was just screaming and screaming and screaming, and I'm not a parent for a reason. Like, I can't handle screaming kids, and the mom wasn't doing anything about it. And then I walked past her like in a different aisle, and this kid like spit at her or something, and she's like, "Don't spit at me." And I'm like, "But your kid's sitting here screaming for like the last half an hour, and you're just slowly walking up and down the aisle. It looks like she's wasting time." But it's just like, I was getting a headache and being over there because that's where she was and her kid was, and I couldn't. I was looking more at the Febreze stuff, and they had some Airwick stuff that was on clearance. Now I know the Airwick isn't part of any deal, but there's coupons, so I was like, oh, I wonder if this is good. No, I couldn't anymore. But teach their own. I know I can't deal with that. So anyway, so there's one deal I will go over. There was a stalker stocking that area, so I didn't want to film. I get really worried about that. But I grabbed the Neutrogena, the whatever this is. Oh, the Oikos drink, and then the and as you can see, one of the free coupon, or the buy one get one free coupon came off. And then for the, I already forgot, the Neutrogena, the $2.50 came off. Then the crack an egg, the 50% came off. I have a 50% for a Talenti item. And I'm kind of stressed right now with, I got 2 new cats and it's not going well. Now I know cats need plenty of time to adjust, but they have some issues that I wasn't warned about. So I was like, I was gonna save the 50% off, but I was like, I need to treat myself to something good. So I got that. And so that 50% came off, making my grand total $9.15 roughly. I submitted to Fetch for the 3,000 Fetch points for the Neutrogena, making it like $6 for everything, which is perfectly fine with me because that's almost the full price of one of these. So yes, I didn't get a lot. Like I said, I had planned on doing the PG deal. Now I wanted to grab some clearance items just to like show you guys that the clearance works with it. I've done it in the past with the Tide Power Pods way back, like months and months ago. There was a Tide Power Pods that was on clearance for like, I think like 50% off or something, plus a digital coupon, plus the spend 50. So, believe me when I say that you can grab clearance products for using a manufacturer coupons most of the time. Make sure you scan the item in the app. And then the store coupons will stack usually with clearance items. It's just like the in-store promotions. So like I said, with the Febreze, the buy one get one 30 won't apply. Or with like Friskies, if you find a Purina product that's been marked down, that won't apply, or that won't track or apply for that as well. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, so anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.